They are so big.
Thick.
This is an encyclopedia of our mollusk.
My mollusk is jellyfish. Jellyfish type of the animal is mollusk and vertebrate. Jellyfish live in the sea. Jellyfish eat their smaller fish, and jellyfish move by swimming and fast. Jellyfish is very dangerous because jellyfish shoot poison. So jellyfish is very dangerous, and jellyfish is very cute. We can eat the jellyfish. Jellyfish is very delicious. Jellyfish color is transparent. Jellyfish weight is 100 kilograms. So jellyfish is very big, and jellyfish grow up to swimmer. Jellyfish not fin, not eye, but jellyfish is many legs. So jellyfish catch a smaller fish and eat the smaller fish.